All right, my sweet third grade friends, we are on day 1 math. I believe it should be week 13. It could be week 14. I need to check on that. I'm going to present my screen. All right. So you should be able to still see me. Oh, we're working on it. Let's see. All right, now you should be able to see in a minute what I'm doing. Okay. So we are on day 1 math, okay? And no, that week 12 is not correct, okay? But that's okay. This is remote day 1. All right, so let's start. First things stay the same. Grab my pencil and I write my name. All right, so let's read the first question. So we're going to read, think, and cubes. Layla has 56 stickers. She will give all of the stickers to 8 friends. Each friend will receive the same number of stickers. Which equation will help Layla find how many stickers in to give each friend? Think about it. She has 56 stickers. She has a lot of stickers. She's splitting them between 8 friends. This friend will get some, this friend will get some, all the way 8 friends. Okay, we need to look for an equation that shows us how many she'll give to each friend. Okay, so let's go ahead and make a list. Well, we need the cubes. So let's circle the numbers first. 56, okay, and 8. Underline the question. Which equation will help Layla find how many stickers in to give each friend? Box math action words. Okay, so let's see. Which equation? She will give all the stickers to her friends. Each friend. Okay, I would even maybe do same number because each person's getting the same amount. Okay, so now we need to make a list. So she started with 56. They gave us the total, 56. Split between, how many people is it split between? Her 8 friends. Question mark, each friend. Okay, well, what do you think we would need to do? Okay, add, subtract, multiply, divide. Well, it can't be multiply or add because they gave us the total. So we know it needs to be divide or subtract. She split them between 8 friends. I also see the word each, so I'm going to have to divide. And that bigger number comes first, 56, divided by the 8 friends. Okay, well, let's see which one looks like this. You may say, Miss Gilbert, none of those look like this. Okay, so remember, these equations can be written in different ways. So let's look at the first one. N divided by 8 equals 56, meaning that we would have to multiply these numbers together. Did we multiply these numbers together? No. 8 times n, so remember n stands for the amount of stickers each friend gets, equals 56. Well, we didn't multiply, but this is the same as saying 8 times what gives me 56. Remember, we could rewrite a division equation. That could be it. 56 minus n equals 48. We're not subtracting. And 56 minus 8. Nope. So B. 8 times n would give me 56. Okay, this next one, Miss Gilbert has a typo. Whoops. Instead of 40, it's 45. Okay, so a farmer planted 45 different types of squash. He planted 9 of each type. How much squash did the farmer plant? Okay, that's not, I had it right first. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. It was 40. Miss Gilbert made a mistake trying to correct a mistake. That wasn't a mistake. Did I lose you yet? Okay, a farmer planted 40 different types of squash. He planted 9 of each type. How much squash did the farmer plant? I'm thinking about this. 40 different kinds. That's a lot of different kinds of squash. I didn't know there were that many kinds of squash. He planted 9 of each type. 9 of this kind, 9 of this kind, 9 of this kind, 40 times. How much squash did the farmer plant? Did they give us the total amount of squash? Now, they gave us the different types, but not the total amounts. So we have to find the total. I see the word each. I think we have to multiply, but let's check. Circle the numbers, 40 and 9. How much squash did the farmer plant? Okay, box math action words, each. How much? Then we make a list. 40 types. Okay, 9 of each. Question mark, I'm going to put total. We need to know the total amount. How much squash did they plant altogether? See the word each, and that number needs to get bigger, so I'm going to multiply 40 times 9. Remember, I told you just to take that 0, put it back here. It's gone. Now I have 4 times 9. I could do my 9's trick, fingers up, put my 4th finger down, 3 on this side, 36. Or I could count by 4s count by 4s 9 times. So 9 groups of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. So I put that as 36 in front of the 0, 360 altogether. Okay, so you had 40 types, 9 of each type, 360 squash altogether. That's a lot of squash. Okay, next one. Okay, this one has a lot of different steps, so we might have to do a lot of different things. Danny's goal is to run 100 miles. He runs 5 miles every day. He has run for 7 days. Danny still needs to walk K more miles to reach his goal. Which equation could be used to find out K how many more miles he needed to reach his goal? Think about this. They gave us that total, okay? His goal, that total, 100 miles altogether. Every day he runs 5 miles, okay? So each day he runs 5 miles, and he's run for 7 days. So he ran 5 miles this day, 5 miles that day, 5 miles that day, okay, to get to 100. But he still has some more miles to run before he gets to 100. Let's cubes, then we'll make a list. Circle our numbers, 100, 5, 7. Okay, and really, I would go ahead and circle K too. K is not a number, but it's an important part of our equation. Okay, then we underline the question. How many more miles he needed to reach his goal? Okay, and then I need to box math action words. Okay, so how many more? Maybe even goal, like his goal, the total. That might be about it. Oh, which equation? Which equation? So that's really part of the question too. Okay, let's make a list. Total 100. 5 miles each day. 7 days. Question mark, how many more? Okay, so the total is 100. So we know whatever we're going to do equals 100. Okay, so all of these equations have it equal in 100. Okay, he runs 5 miles each day for 7 days. What do you think I have to do? Each, we need to find the total numbers of miles he's run so far. I think we need to multiply. 5 times 7. Okay, 5 times 7 is 35. So he's already run 35 miles. He needs to get to 100. How many more? Okay, remember I've said before, how many more means we need to subtract, okay? Which to solve this, you would do 100 minus 35. Okay, but we have to see how many more. Okay, so it would be adding 5 times 7, 5 miles each day for 7 days, plus how many more, okay, plus the rest he has to run to equal 100. See which one matches. 5 times 7 plus K. 5 times 7 times K. No, we don't have to multiply again. 5 times 7 minus K. No. And 5 plus 7. Well, we know we don't need to add. 8. Okay. 4. Which value for m makes this equation true? M divided by 7 equals 7. Remember, this number in a division equation is always going to be the biggest. We have to multiply these numbers together. 7 times 7. 7 groups of 7. You solve on your own. Okay, 7 times 7. All right, we're going on to number 5. Cameron and his friends collected 72 rocks. Each person collected 9 rocks. How many people collected rocks? Think about this. Cameron and his friends collected a lot of rocks. We don't know how many people, but they collected a lot of rocks. Each person collected 9. We want to know how many people. Let's cubes. Circle the numbers, 72 and 9. Underline the question. How many people collected rocks? Box math action words. Each. And how many? We make a list. 72 rocks. Okay, this is our total. We know the total amount of rocks that they collected. 9 rocks each. Question mark people. These 72 rocks were split into groups of 9. 72 split into groups of 9. So what's another way we can write that equation? 9 times what will give me 72? Okay, 9 times what gives me 72? Let's do our little nines trick. If I tip down my 4th finger, that's 36. If I put down my 7th finger, 63. What if I put down my 8th finger? 72. Okay, so 9 times 8 is 72. You could also check that with your 8s. So count by 8s 9 times and see if you get the same thing. And you should have, meaning that that answer is A. Okay, Jessie wrote 2 pages in her journal every day for 7 days. Her journal has a total of 32 pages. How many pages does Josie have left to write before her journal will be full? Think about it. Okay, she has 32 pages in her journal. She writes 2 pages in her journal every day. So this day, writes 2 pages, flips a page. Next day, writes 2 pages, flips a page. Okay, she does this for 7 days. How many pages does she have left before it's full? So before all the 32 pages have been written on. Those cubes. 2, 7, and 32. Underline the question. How many pages does Jessie have left to write before her journal will be full? Box the math action words. Total. I would do every day because that's like 2 each day. How many and left. Okay, make a list. So let's start with the total. If they give us the total, we always need to start our list with the total. 32 pages. I'm going to put PG. 32 pages. Okay, she writes for 7 days. Okay, 2 pages each day. Question mark left. Okay, so we have the total number of pages. Well, to see how many she has left, we need to first figure out how many she has written in altogether. 7 days, 2 pages each day means we have to do 7 times 2. 7 groups of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So this equals 14. Let's check with our 7s. 2 groups of 7. 7, 14. Okay. So 14 is an answer choice because they think, oh, they found an answer. They think they're done. Are we done? No, let's go ahead and mark out 14. Okay, because we have to figure out how many are left. We need to check that list. So 32 total minus the 14 she's already written in. 2 minus 4, can I do it? Nope, I have to borrow. 12 minus 4 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. 18. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 plus 1 is 2. 18. Okay, not 25 and not 30. All right. There we go. A hotel rental company charges $20 per day plus a one-time fee of $40 to rent a hotel room. A person needs to rent a hotel room for 9 days. How much will the person pay to rent the room? Okay, so each day that I stay in this hotel, I have to pay $20. Okay, each day. So I stay in this day, $20, $20, $20. I do that for 9 days. So $20 each day. But I also have that one-time fee of $40. One-time fee. So I pay that $40 first, then I pay $20 a day. Okay, let's cubes. $20, $40, 9. How much will the person pay to rent the room? Box math action words. Per day. Okay, one-time fee. How much? That should be about it. Okay, so I'm going to start with that one-time fee because you really just want to get that out of the way. One-time fee for $40. Then they stay there for 9 days, $20 each day. Okay, so let's figure out how much they pay to stay there. Okay, how much do they pay to stay there? So $20 each day, 9 days. 20 times 9. 20 days, or $20, 9 days. Put that 0 back there. Get it out of the way. 2 times 9. 2 times 9 is 18. I could also do 9 groups of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 180. Am I done? That's an answer choice, but I'm not done. I have this one-time fee of $40. Okay, so 9 days, $20 each day, plus the one-time fee of $40. So 180 plus 40. This is why we always check that list. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1 plus 1 is 2. 220. Okay, 180 was just the amount for the days they stayed. Okay, those are not correct. Last one. A 7th grade class voted for their favorite subject as shown in the table. So look, I need to think about this table before I even do the question. Okay, so they voted on their favorite subject. This many students like math, this many students like reading, this many students like science, this many students like writing. Oh, but I'm going to go ahead and box that in. Each circle equals 5 votes. So let's go ahead and see how many kids like each subject. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 like math. 5, 10, 15 like reading. 5, 10 like science. 5, 10, 15 like writing. Okay, our question. How many more students voted for writing and reading combined than math? Okay, how many more voted for writing and reading combined than just math? Okay, so let's make a list, okay? Writing and reading combined, okay? We're going to have to figure out how many liked math and how many more. Okay, well, how many people liked writing? 15, let's check. 5, 10, 15, okay. 15 plus the people that liked reading because we have to combine them. 5, 10, 15, and it says 15 there. 15 plus 15, stack them on top of each other. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 more is 3. 30 people like writing and reading combined. Am I done? Nope, we have to see how many like math. I said 25, let's check. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay. How many more like these combined than math? I have to subtract. 30 minus 25. 0 minus 5. Can't do it, I have to borrow. 10 minus 5 is 5. How many more? 5. Very good. I hope that this is making sense. Okay, and I hope that you have a great rest of your week. Love you and hope to see you soon.